Hello students, I hope you all are safe. Today we will discuss chapter 1, Advent of Christianity, means beginning of Christianity. In this chapter already we have discussed about the medieval period. Medieval period in India started from 700 AD to 1750 AD. Medieval period in Europe from 600 AD to 1500 AD. Medieval period refers to the time period between the ancient and the modern periods. During this period, the spread of two religions had important and far-reaching effects. These two religions are Christianity and Islam. They changed the social, cultural, political, and economic activities of the medieval period. Islam, it was founded by Prophet Muhammad, and Christianity founded by Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ was born in Bethlehem, a small village of Jerusalem, in 4 BC. He spent his early life as a carpenter. He began to preach his message in a simple language which attracted a large number of people. He gave importance on one God. He also gave more importance to love, universal brotherhood, and he strongly criticized the harmful activities of rich and powerful Romans. So they complained to the Roman governor Pontius Pilate. Then Jesus was arrested and crucified. He used to teach his followers by using short stories based on the lives of ordinary people. Jesus was crucified on Friday. The Christians believe that Jesus Christ rose from the dead on the third day, that is on Sunday, after the crucifixion. This is known as resurrection. So, every year this event is celebrated as Easter. Teachings of Jesus Christ. He preached that people must show concern for the sufferings of the poor, to hate the sin but not the sinner, worship one God, true love for one's neighbor. Bible is the holy book of the Christians. Bible is divided into two parts, Old Testament and New Testament. In Old Testament is written about story of the Jews and their relationship with God before the birth of Jesus. But in New Testament written about life of Christ and his teachings. Let's discuss about what is gospel. The record of Christ's life and teaching in the first 4 books of New Testament. The life and teachings of Jesus Christ were recorded in the Gospel by 4 of his disciples. They were John, Matthew, Mark, and Luke.